best shit you'll ever
Really?
get. Big man, you don't get this anywhere.
Anyway.
What's so special about that bread?
Everything. Look.
But you found it in Malta only. Yeah?
What do you eat with the? I mean, what do you eat with
Everything.
that? Everything.
We on the right track, yeah. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion.
Absolutely disgusting. I just come out of my hostel at 1 o'clock. I've wasted a whole day, you know. I wasted a whole day.
What you done?
I was indoors till 1 o'clock.
You go out?
I did go out last night, but I didn't stay out till late because I had to prep in advance. Right next to Palazzo Gelatira, I can't pronounce these names, in Salima. Having my lunch. Ordered a chai latte, soya milk. We've got pistachio croissant. Croissant's pretty hard. Pistachio, sweet, creamy. 6 out of 10. Actually, no, 5 out of 10. Oh, it's got a cream inside. I'll take it back. 7 out of 10. Everything cost me €6. But check out the place. You can chill around here, or you can sit on the desk. I'm hungry, and I want a fruit. I haven't had prickly pears in a really long time. Mate, I ain't using my hands. Which prickly pear should I go for?
That one looks good.
At the top?
Yeah.
Oh, say nothing. Squeeze it and twist.
Let me try. Do I reach?
No way, legend. No. Piece of paper.
That's what they gave me, bro.
Wait, let's try this now. That's hella nice.
So do I.
That's really sweet. The seeds are in the way, but you can't chew the seeds. You just gotta swallow it. Can we try the green ones? How about this one?
You gotta peel it with your hand.
I used to do this in Morocco. I don't know why I'm wimping out. This is harder than I thought. Oh, there you go. And then I used to do this. Get rid of the prickly parts.
They got the name prickly pear, innit? That looks juicy.
Now I've got it. Finally. It's a bit wet in the middle.
Probably not right.
Yeah, he was right. It depends on the colour. Hey, how you feeling, sir?
Bani, eia, essa.
Barney.
Bani.
Barney really loves his vegetables. Oh yeah. Oh, you keep going for that. Yummy, tasty. Let me see how cold this water is. I know it's cold, but I wanna jump in. Let me
You're actually gonna jump in.
see how it is first. Oh, you know, F it. I'm gonna jump head on.
The goggles and the snorkel.
Let's see.
Just do it. Just do it. Don't think about it. No, these are my thing.
You want me to get it for you? No problem, no problem.
Thank you.
The guy wants me to rescue his ball. Should I do it or not? Should I help him?
Of course you should.
Maltese people are lovely people. Why not?
Gotta build up your karma points, bro.
I'm telling you.
Come back.
Look, it's coming close.
Hey, you're here, Jesus.
What language you just speak? What language? Oh, it's not Arabic. Jibo. It's not like Arabic. It's not like they're arguing with me or they're talking normal.
No, that's just how it is.
Can I record?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Do you own this? Do you run
This is
it?
No,
Your
not
business?
mine. My brother.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Close family.
Okay, so it's a family-owned business,
Own business.
and this is your bake. Wow, I can smell the fresh bread.
Yeah.
So you make bread,
This
pastry.
traditional Maltese.
This is a tradition one.
This is the best shit you'll ever
Really?
get.
You don't find it anywhere.
Big
yeah?
man, you don't get this anywhere.
Anywhere.
What's so special about that bread?
Everything. There's nothing bad about it. Look,
But you found it in Malta only, yeah?
you see the top? That's
Yeah.
where all the flavor is.
Is he saying the truth?
Ah, that's he's saying the truth.
What do you eat with the? I mean, what do you eat with
Everything.
that? Everything.
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 they have a dish called Stafa.
That's so fat. Rabbit.
Bread.
Tradition dish of the Maltese is the rabbit.
Yeah.
You know,
Rabbits.
Minestra. bread.
minestra with vegetables.
Yes. When you sit down,
Yeah.
2 slices for her dad, 2 slices for me.
He knows.
Oh my god.
Ravioli. They
Ravioli
make the sauce themselves with pulpa
with
and
pulpa,
sugar and
tomatoes,
garlic and all of that.
garlic,
When the-
onions.
This guy knows a lot.
When all the ravioli is done, bread.
The Maltese do not use commercial yeast on their bread. They use a piece of old sourdough to incorporate it in the fresh batch, giving it a chewy center with a unique taste and texture. That's why it's a banging bread. But unfortunately, I did not taste it. Mad thing. Let's check out and see how he makes his bread.
I prepare the water
Yeah.
and mix it.
Okay.
When it's ready, the dough,
Yeah.
I cut it in pieces over there, and over there. After half an hour again, you
You need the dough.
Oh, need a dough. Oh.
and then after you cut it, put it over here and leave it rest for an hour before you begin to cut one. All by hand.
All by hand.
All by hand. That's it.
Oh my god.
Look how old school it is, bro.
That is proper old school for real. Look at this.
at
Look
that.
at that.
Ooh, that is deep.
Oh, that is, I can feel the heat as well in there.
And what do you use? Coal or wood?
Yeah? Sometimes I use wood, sometimes I use the burner.
And where is the heat? Where you put the?
And there, I will show you. It's,
Yeah. Oh wow. Oh my god.
Then get the temperature up and you stop, close everything, and when you put the bread inside, you don't have to make the heat because it's ready.
Yeah, okay.
The temperature is ready for it.
What?
This is old school, bro.
This is
where
This is the traditional
this is
one.
traditional, bro.
This is the traditional one.
You can't go as traditional as this.
Nah, bro, that's the realest.
This
It's
is
hard.
Thank you very much.
Uh,
What's the name?
My name is Anthony, but they call me Nino.
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 Nice to meet you, Nino. Thank you. It's been a pleasure.
All right.
Appreciate it. Thank you for
Okay.
taking us around.
Don't worry.
Just randomly, just walked by, went to the bakery, took us around.
Showed us around, bro.
Literally sort of, I'm so fascinated how they make it. It's just simple stuff, big equipment, making the bread.
None of these fancy factory made things.